Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Monday, November 18th of 2019. And here are the morning announcements for today. We do have our reading and math fall event happening today, so teachers, if you signed up for that, that will be happening from 8 o'clock until about 10:45, and it will be held in the art and music room. We will be having a PTCO meeting also today after school at 4:30. It will be located in the main foyer area right outside of the office. And for our birthdays to announce, we have the following. So we have Elijah Vasquez, happy birthday to you. And Elijah, happy birthday to you again because you're the only birthday for today. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Our lunch choices for today is chicken drumstick, garden salad, or crispy chicken wrap. And our pause expectations are brought to us by second grade in Mrs. Rambolt's class.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause expectations. And today we have 3 second grade students from Mrs. Rambolt's room.
Make sure you go on the slide one at a time. Wear all your snow gear if you want to go in the snow. Make sure you don't hurt anyone when you're playing with the ball.
Those are good things. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much for those. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And now, if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much. I hope all of you have a wonderful day today. Make a great start to the beginning of the week, and I look forward to seeing all of you very soon.